A2 Peter here. Today we're going to be playing World of Guns Disassembly. So this is actually a new game to the channel. So basically it's free on Steam, you can get it for free. And you select all these guns and you disassemble them, and you operate them, and etc. But I actually do have the DLC which gives me all the guns. I know, terrible. But yeah, so I think for this, what we're going to do for this kind of series is either pick different countries each time, or pick different sets of guns, so like machine guns, pistols, rifles, etc. But what I think I'll be doing today is French guns. So up here you can see you've got the Lebel 1886, my favourite rifle. The Protector Palms, it's like a pistol, I'm not really sure how to use it. And the Maz 36, and there should be more. Yeah. Well, so we'll start with the Lebel. So once you click on the gun, you'll have this all the arrows as well. You'll have this kind of picture scrolling, and up here you'll have all the different ones. So you have field strip, disassembly, assembly, operation, game, super game, hardcore, etc. So we'll start off. So we'll go over the field strip. So if you're not sure what a field strip is, you basically in the field you would have a rifle, and basically to clean it you would strip it down and you would take bits off to clean them, etc. So I think it will show you, so it should say highlighting that one. So you take the bolt out first there, and then it should highlight up there. So instead of clicking this arrow, you can also double click it like that and it should come out. So if I go up here, or I think it's just click it once. So then we take off the wooden foregrip, I think it's called, and that's it done. So what we would then do in the field is you would clean all these bits, etc. Make sure they're all clean, and then when you put it back together, you basically do the exact same operation in reverse. So the bits you all took off, you'll put back on. So yeah, basically that. I have my volume down so it doesn't interrupt. You can't hear me over the volume, but I'm just going to put it up to 8. So that's the field strip. So we're going to do the disassembly. So this is disassembling the whole gun from its actual model. So do all that field strip, then you have to take out bits inside there. So when we take out the bolts here, you then have to take bits off the bolt. There we go, you have to take bits of the bolts off like this, and then that's the bolt bit done. So then you have to do the trigger guard. If I sound a bit hoarse or croaky, then it's just because I've got a sore throat and some swollen tonsils, but not sure what it is yet. Could be something, could not be, you never know, could just be a sore throat. I've done a COVID test, but yeah, I do apologise if I sound a bit hoarse or croaky, but yeah. So we just, over there, we just disassembled the stock or butt, or the stock bit, and then the butt plate within the carrier plate. It does say the name where my cursor is now, so if I click on that, it should, yeah, look, it says ejector there. I don't know what I like about the Lebel, it's just, I quite like it. Yeah, me and my friend are actually, I'm not going to say his name, but unless reenactment. Me and him are kind of into. He's way into it, way more than me, I have to say. But I'm saving up for a water bottle. So it's like a Webster French World War I water bottle that you can actually drink from. And for Christmas, I'm hoping to get a top and like trousers kind of thing. And yeah, maybe some putties as well later. Save up for them, and I'm going to save up for the Adrian hand job, but I will review the water bottle when I do get it. Yeah, but I may also I might not get it. It's a great coat. It's this like blue great coat that we use as a coat. It's like really expensive though. That's the thing. It's like £250. But yeah, I am quite into French reenacting. Okay, so there's bits up here where it's like, and then the bands with all of those. Unless I'm being blind, I can't see anything flashing apart from that which bit I clicked on. I'm gonna do a hint. Oh, yeah, I was being blind, but it was right in front of me. Okay, so that's it disassembled, so then we're gonna assemble it. It's actually a French. Sorry, which is actually from a French word, assemble, ensemble, which means together. So I'm going to put highlighting back on, so I'm going to put the stacking on, I don't know what that is, and the band springs in. And the thing about the lapel, it's an 8-shot bolt action rifle, but it's not using a stripper clip like you would think of a Lee Enfield or SMLE rifle. It actually, you have to load in all 8 rounds individually, which is a downside of it. So here you're like in battle under heavy machine gun fire or heavy rifle fire, the enemy are charging at you, and you're run out of ammo and you have to reload your lapel. You have to put in all 8 rounds individually, and it is prone to jamming quite a lot. But yeah, so you would load the rounds into the bolts where my cursor, you would load them into the bolt here, and you would think 8 rounds don't stack up in there. Well, actually they go down into here and they push along here and they go along the foregrip, which is quite a clever thing in my mind. But it did, when you put the bolt back into place, it would jam sometimes. So we're going to put these thingies on, bands, whatever they are, back on. So that's what looks like the front part of the barrel done. So we're going to do the stock now. I'm going to put them in. Butt plate in. So then that's not able to go on. Oh wait, that on. Still not able to go on. So we'll start with the trigger assembly. Put that all together. Put that there. I'm not going to do a game because it doesn't give you hints. Especially when I'm recording, it just puts me under a bit of pressure. And so I'm not going to do games, I'm just going to do field strip assembly, disassembly, and then operation to show what it's like. So this is, I do recommend this game if you're into like weaponry from all sorts of reasons. They don't just have World War I and II, they even have bits before. They have a Gatling gun in here, but do have like post-war, Cold War kind of stuff, Iraqi War, Gulf War kind of stuff as well. But they also have vehicles as well. Okay, so that's the assembly done. So we're going to do the operation now. All manufacturers, arms, disassembly. I didn't take French in school, right? Which was German. Okay, so of course the operation, you have the bell here. So here we have, you can pause it, you can focus, you can rotate, or you can slow-mo. You can cut to like X-ray, so you can see what I was telling you about the bullets. They do go down into like the foregrip. And you have different parts of the X-ray. You have plastic, which I find a bit weird. You have highlight part names and cutaway, which is quite cool. You have click and hide, which I'm not going to click on. So down here is like our little animation. So you've got the rear sight slider, which is here, and then you have rear sight up, which is like that. So then you have the fire, which I'll do now. Turn it up so you can hear it. Probably a bit louder. This went up to 100. Oh, what's going on with my volume? Sorry, that was deafening. I'll put it up to 30. Okay, now put it down. There. And you can unload, which is just ejecting a shell. So, and I think down here when you, because I've already fired this gun, but when you first fire it, it shows you like objectives here, like unload it, cut away, etc, etc. So we'll fire our ammo, it's up here, we'll fire that until empty. So I'll show you, so the reload is actually, look, yeah, so we'll do a cutaway fire, so then we'll do X-ray. So I'm going to unload the last shell, so I'm going to reload it and then do slow-mo. So we'll do it times 2, so then I'll do times 10, so you see the shell slow down. so I think next we'll do see what there is. There's a Hotchkiss M1909. There's a Shawshat LMG, Maz 36, an RSC 17, which is here. Those are American Austrian. So I think we'll do. Pistol, so if I go here, so we'll do the protection arm. So we'll do a field strip first, and of course do the whole assembly operation of it. So I'll make it on. So we'll undo that. Take out that. And across the shells. That's it, really simple. Take that off, done. Put that back in. Do that and put that in. There we go, Bob's your uncle. So we'll disassemble it. Oh, look, key. That's French, we're definitely doing that next. So I think what we'll do the key gun next, and then if we have some time, maybe one more, or maybe do the Maz or the Shawshat. So highlighting, of course, take that off. So we'll start with this. So then we have to take these cup springs. That's the cylinder done. We'll take the trigger assembly. So I think this is meant, so you place it, it's quite big in this, but I think you're normally meant to place it between your like thumb or forefinger. I will put it in your palm of your hand and shoot it. It's like a mini little, like the Calibri. Now that was built for like self-defense. Start disassembling the trigger assembly. So safety catch. Okay, so that's that done. Then we'll do assembly. I think you put it in your palm of your hand and use your thumb to shoot, put like 2 fingers between the barrel. So I'll put these on. So these cap springs can go back on. And then, so, oh, I need to sneeze. Bless me, I do apologise. So we'll put the firing pin in. Assembly can go on here, and I think after this, put the little cap thing on, then we're done. So what does that sound like? Chicago Firearms, oh no, yeah, Chicago Firearms Co., Chicago, Illinois. French. Okay, so we've done clasp in a fist with the barrel protruding into. Yes, that's what I thought it was. So I thought we'd use this. Where it's gone? No. There, keep going. Now this is a perfect thing to demonstrate. You can also search. So if I search for the bell, like, it will come up with that, or AK, and it will come up with all things. And you can also have cars and skeletons, but I don't have them. So we'll do the key gun. We'll do key gun, and we'll field strip it first, and then we'll. Oh, I forgot to do the operation on the palm pistol. I'll do that after the key gun. Don't let me forget, brain. But I think after the key gun, I think we're gonna run out of time, so just gonna keep it at the key gun then. After the, so we'll do the key gun, we'll do all the field strip, disassembly, assembly, operation, then we'll quickly do the operation of the palm pistol, because I forgot. Wow, that was easy. We'll do the operation of the palm pistol, and then I think I'm going to end it there. So that was the whole thing disassembled. Sorry. So we'll assemble it now. Okay, here we go. So highlighting. So put that in there. This there. This can go there. This is quite an odd thing to have as a gun. Put that there. Put this here. Put that there. And put this there. Done. Okay, so we'll do the operation now. Okay, so yeah, that's what I said. So this is the first one for operating, so it gives you a little taster. So single fire. Okay, so cock it back there, put that in and fire. Reload. Whoa. Whoa. Cool. So I'll turn it up for you guys to hear. Okay, ready? Fire! Okay, so you have to put safety on, and that's a task complete there. So X-ray, we'll fire it. Actually, animates it well. so toggle cutaway. So it looks like it's meant to be disguised as a key and used as like a resistance, or if you're captured you can have it on your belt or something so it looks like a key, and then you pull it out and then you bang. So we'll slow-mo fire it, but let me just reload it first. Okay, slow, we'll put it in times 10, why not? There we go. So I'll quickly do the operation of the protect palm pistol, which is here. Okay, so I've already fired it. Well, my bad. I've already fired this ball, so no task. So I'll fire it in slow times 2. Times 10. Again in times 10, don't know why. Yeah, fire it in times 50. You here for a while? Whoa. Don't know why I did that, a bit weird. Bang. Flash. Bang. Not bang. It goes boom. And then I'll fire it again. Okay, so I'll fire an X-ray for you. Then in cutaway. And then I'll just put it in plastic, why not? I don't know what plastic does. If someone knows, explain to me, but just like a joke or something. Okay, so I think I'm going to end it there. Please say to me if in the comments if you want me to do another country or another type of gun to see if they have it, or any train simulator videos. Please tell me that if you want any. I will next week. I think there will be another video, but it will be Rise of Flight, I think. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to tell me anything, any guns, any country you want me to see or in this game, or do a train simulator race or a run, please tell me. Maybe put a like if you want, subscribe if you would like to. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Cheerio, tally ho.